In this tutorial, we will show you how to effectively mute conversations on Twitter using your PC. Follow these simple steps to manage your Twitter feed and customize your experience on the platform. To begin, navigate to the post detail of any post or reply within the conversation you wish to mute. This can be done by clicking on the specific tweet or reply that you want to mute. Next, locate the More icon, typically represented by 3 dots, and click or tap on it to reveal additional options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the option that says Mute this conversation. By choosing this option, you will mute the entire conversation thread, ensuring that you no longer receive notifications or see updates from that specific conversation. Finally, click or tap to confirm your choice. This action will confirm that you want to mute the conversation, and once confirmed, you will no longer be bothered by notifications related to that specific thread. Muting conversations on Twitter is a great way to declutter your feed and focus on the content that matters most to you. Follow these steps to easily mute conversations and have a more personalized Twitter experience tailored to your preferences.